Hi friends, it is nice that you have chosen WordPress CMS for your website project, and now you are looking for a wonderful theme for your business website. So choosing a nice and workable theme is not an easy task. WP Themes channel make it easier for you because I bring only those themes for you which are having wonderful look, UI UX and technical aspects as well. So if you have decided to make a new website for your business or corporate agency, this is a wonderful theme for you called Moody, and this video is for you only. So Moody is corporate business agency WordPress theme, and in this video we will see the features of Moody. We will install the theme Moody on a fresh installation of WordPress, and also we will preview the theme features available in the theme. So through this video you will come to know the complete in and out of Moody corporate business agency WordPress theme. So the Moody WordPress theme was developed in 2017 only, and regular updates are also being done for this theme. So we can conclude that it is a latest version of theme and latest update with the WordPress compatible versions. The theme was developed by the Theam Move, and they are Power Elite authors. So if we take a look of the demo website available with the Moody theme, it has actually 29 plus home pages with this theme, and all the web pages, home pages, are very good in look, a stunning look and wonderful features. And so we can just take a look of any one. So multipurpose is one of them. I'll give the complete link in the description of this video, so that you may choose any of this layout, preview any of this layout for your website project and choose any suitable for you. This is the look of multipurpose homepage, and this is of course a very wonderful look, and this theme can be used for various purposes, and it has shop options as well, so you can use this theme for your online shop as well. So it has other demos as well. So business classic is here, we can take a look of business classic as well. So this is the look of business classic homepage, and it has minimal but wonderful UX. So we can proceed to towards the installation of this theme. We will choose any one of the demo during our installation in this video, and you can choose any of these available home page according to your need, according to your choice. So I got the theme pack, and the theme pack I have licensing Moody doc plugins. Some plugins are here. Let us see what is here in it. So some plugins are here. Okay, so the theme and the child theme itself. So for the installation, I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which 2021 WordPress theme is installed, and we will install the Moody theme in this fresh installation of WordPress. So go to the themes under appearance section, add new, upload theme. You need to select tm .zip file here, and if you are having direct access on your server, so you can upload the same in the WP content themes folder. I'm doing the same. It will save some time. And the theme size is 12.16 MB in size, so it will not take more than a minute, and theme size is moderate and not too big, not too small. Once it gets uploaded, we need to extract it, and now we have theme Moody folder here, and Moody, in the Moody folder all the theme components, theme folders and files are here. So now we can delete the zip one because it has been extracted. Fine. So come again to the themes portion, and now we have theme Moody as theme option, so we can check the theme details. Theme Moody is here, and it is version 2.3.1, and we can Moody, a modern flexible WordPress multipurpose theme, and activate it please. Upon activation, we got an alert to install some necessary plugins. We will do the same, and these are the list of plugins required for running this theme. So 3 are required and rest are recommended. We will install all of these because I need to demonstrate the complete feature of the theme. So except Woocommerce, I will install all in one go, and I will install the Woocommerce in next round. So let me check. Core is here, evaluation slider, page builder, contact form, Instagram feed and all. Okay, so I'm installing all in one go. It may take some time because there are multiple plugins. So all the selected plugins has been installed, and now we can go back to the okay. So if this page comes to you, you can simply delete this part of URL and come back to the WP admin. And we have to install some more plugins because we did not selected all of them somehow. So I'm going to inside core, and Woocommerce is here, so I'm just installing Woocommerce now. And upon installation of Woocommerce, we need to go for a simple setup. So this is something bad which should not come, but we have a solution for this. And this is the Woocommerce basic setup. I am putting the sample data, and you put the original one which is applicable for you. You need to select TM Moody here, continue with my active theme. No need to install Jetpack for the time being. So now we have completed all the required plugin installed requirement, and also theme has been already installed. So now we can take a look of our website, how it looks. Just take a look at website. And this is the look of website without any demo content. So definitely we will go for importing the demo in the next stage. For that we have, I need to find where is the demo content importer has been given. So in site core, I just click in site core. So import this demo is here. So demo import option is available in the inside core section, and import button is there, import link is there. So this is the main demo. Or import data, hold the package in minutes, वगैरह. So I'm just importing this demo, and it is going on, and the progress bar is showing the status. It will take some time because it is going to import and download the media files, and it did not took much time. Import is successful. Now customization is easy as easy as pie. So we can take another look of our website. Yes, so it is here only, the landing page now with us. And we can check any one of the demo landing page. Yes, so we have all the home pages with us now. We can choose any for our website, in fact all has been imported, and all website is here with us only. And it is nice that we got all in one go. So we can have a look for another as well. This is the look for creative agency, and yes, it is also very wonderful. And look, nice one. Okay, so business classic is here. And as we seen in the demo of this theme, we do have all the options here, and we have all the home pages here. In fact, if we check how many home pages are here, we got every of this home page. You can choose any for your website project, so no need to worry that for what business you are making this website. So you have all the options with you, and these are the 110 pages in fact. So within 110 pages there are many options of home page, as you can see in the these are the home pages available in the theme, and we have imported all this demo, so you can choose according to your need. Now since we have installed the theme and imported the demo, we can take a look of the theme panel, how it works and what features has been given and what additional is available in the WordPress installation. So this is inside code, this is available, and we will see this in just few minutes. And testimonials are here. Additionally, Instagram feed, MC4 WP, these are additional parts appending the WordPress. So now we can go to inside core. This is the inside core, and these all are active and showing import demo and all, right? So now you can check the customization. Okay, it is going to the default WordPress customization section, and I believe some additional option is available here. Yes, it's layout, colors, background, typography, top bar, and all the rest of control has been given here only. So you can control your website from here, and all the necessary set of things available in this section. So it is fine and wonderful. Okay, so now we can conclude that we have installed the Moody WordPress theme and imported the demo, and even we have seen the available features in this theme. So now we can put your original data in any of these layouts available in the theme and start working with a new business website. And I believe you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, as I'm coming with some new and wonderful themes which had been thoroughly checked from technical aspects and the look and view point of view. So we will meet in another video with a new and wonderful theme and some good WordPress tips as well. Keep watching. Thank you very much.